Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make waffle fries. We begin by selecting firm, starchy potatoes like russets, which are perfect for achieving that desired crispy texture. After washing and peeling them thoroughly, the crucial step is using a mandolin equipped with a waffle blade. You'll slice the potatoes in two perpendicular directions, creating that distinctive crisscross pattern. This careful preparation sets the foundation for perfect fries. Next, we move to a vital step for ultimate crispness: soaking. Place your freshly cut waffle fries into a bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes. This simple action helps to draw out excess starch, which is key to achieving that desirable crispy exterior. After soaking, it's absolutely essential to thoroughly dry each potato slice with paper towels. Any remaining moisture can lead to splattering oil and less than perfectly crisp fries. Now, let's begin the first fry, which focuses on cooking the potatoes through. Heat your preferred cooking oil to precisely 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the waffle fries into the hot oil in small batches, frying them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. At this stage, they should be tender but not yet golden or crispy. Remove them from the oil and let them drain and cool completely on a wire rack. For the grand finale, we perform the second fry to achieve that irresistible golden crispness. Increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Return the cooled waffle fries to the hot oil, frying them for just 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown and become wonderfully crispy. Immediately after removing them, season generously with fine salt and any other desired spices. Serve your homemade waffle fries hot and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.